Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today we're going to make funnel cake. Yes, funnel cake. Funnel cakes are one of those things that everyone thinks you can only get at a county fair. But did you know it's easy to make at home? It uses the same ingredients as pancake batter. That means you probably have all these ingredients at home right now. In this video, I'll answer the questions: what to do if you don't have a funnel, how to get the funnel cake crispy, and what to do if your funnel cake falls apart while you're making it. So let's get started. First, we're going to make the batter. This makes 3 funnel cakes, so 1 cup of flour. Then it's 1 tablespoon of sugar. And this is the dry ingredients first. Half teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to stir everything, all the dry ingredients. In another bowl, we're going to do the wet ingredients. 1 egg, whisk. 1 cup of milk. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to whisk this together. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and keep mixing. Keep mixing till everything comes together and it's starting to look like pancake batter. And you can use pancake batter to make this, but I just haven't tried it. Now we're going to pour the batter into a measuring cup up to the 2/3 line. This will make it easier to pour into the funnel later. In a small cast iron, I'm pouring in a neutral tasting oil. This one is a vegetable blend, but you can use any vegetable oil that has a neutral flavor and that can handle high heat. Next, I have a candy thermometer. I've attached it to the side of the pan. Make sure the tip does not touch the bottom of the pan or you get a false reading. And this thermometer measures up to 400 degrees. I have about 2/3 cups of batter and I'm going to pour it with my finger holding the bottom of the funnel. So if you don't have a funnel, you can use a measuring cup, a squeeze bottle, or pipe it from a plastic bag. But the funnel gives it a more uniform shape. So once the thermometer says 375, that's when we start pouring in the batter. I'm doing like a circular and 8 pattern, and it comes out really quick. That's how you want the batter. It's supposed to flow out really quick, but at the same time, it has a good shape and it looks like a funnel cake. Now if the batter is too thick, it will come out of the funnel slower and it'll break apart. And if the batter's too thin, then it'll look more stringy and clump together. And while you're pouring the batter, if your hand starts feeling the heat of the oil, stop pouring so that you don't burn yourself. So cook each side for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Check on it to see if it's brown, golden brown, so that it's crispy. And once it is, flip it over to the other side. And make sure to stand by and watch your funnel cake so that it doesn't burn. So now this funnel cake looks ready. We're going to take it out with tongs and place it onto a plate with paper towels to drain. And for the next funnel cake, wait till it reaches 375 degrees again and pour in the batter. We're doing the same thing, the 8 motion, the circular motion. Let it cook for a minute or 2. Check on it. See if it's golden brown. Flip it. Wait till it finishes cooking, and this one looks like a great funnel cake. It has a nice shape. Are you drooling yet? Because, oh my gosh, I want to take a bite out of this. Now I'm going to put powdered sugar on here. And I just put the sugar onto a mesh tea strainer, and it helps distribute it evenly. Oh yeah, this is ready as is. Or you can add fresh fruit and whipped cream. I used fresh strawberries, blueberries, and some whipped cream. So I kind of cheated here and I put canned whipped cream into a piping bag. So you can top it with canned whipped cream or fresh made whipped cream. There's one for me and one for you. Let's have a taste. Here's a bite for you. It's crispy, crunchy, tastes like a lightly sweetened donut. If you like this video and funnel cake, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to know about my latest videos. See you next time. Bye.